guys, and welcome back to another video here with Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how I sublimate onto masks that I've purchased from, I want to say I got them from the same place that I got the license plates, the book bags, and all of that other stuff from. I will link in the description box where I got the mask from. But yeah, we are going to sublimate these images onto masks today. I'm doing some for my family. I already have my images here, and I'm just going to print all 4 on one sheet of paper so that I don't use a whole bunch of sheets of paper. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this printed up, and I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to get this printed up, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I sublimate it onto masks, so stick around. Okay guys, I'm back here and I do have my images printed up. These are the kids masks, and then these are the adult masks. So I'm going to be doing 2 adult and 2 kids for you guys. And I did double check. I did get these masks from the same lady that I got all my other products from, the license plate, the book bag, the bonnets. Again, I'll link her website down below so you guys can check out her website. She has tons of sublimation blanks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the kids mask first. This is just a piece of butcher paper to protect my heat press mat. So I'm going to put my mask on here. I'm going to take my lint roller, and I'm just going to make sure there's no lint on here, on this mask, on both of them. And to get the size of the image, when I printed it out, all I did was I took my, what is this, my tape measuring tape, and I measured from trim to trim. So black to black, black trim to black trim. And that's how I got the measurements for the actual image. Okay, so I got my baby shark image here. This is for my 3-year-old. And I'm just gonna place it on there. And then the Fortnite image is for my older son. This Fortnite image is actually too big. Yeah, this Fortnite image is actually too big, so I'm not going to do this one just yet because the image doesn't fit inside of the white square. So I'm going to do one of these adult ones, and I got to reprint that Fortnite image. I'll do one of the adult ones, this one. Okay. I am going to take these down a little bit, just because the images are a little bit smaller and I don't want it to move or shift. So I'm just going to use some heat tape. I think I got it from Michael's. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it down. I just wrapped my tape. I'm going to take down this adult one as well. Okay. So I have them both taped down, as you can see, so that they don't move or shift when I close the press. My heat press is set to 400 degrees. I'm going to press for 60 seconds. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get these pressed and I will go back. So my heat press did just go off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pictures off. Okay, and this is the one that I did for my husband. There's a little bit, you can't see it that much, tiny bit of a white border here, but it's for my husband, so that's his. And then this image was a little too big, just like the Fortnite one was, because his name got cut off. It was CJ right here, and his name got a little cut off. But that's okay. So to get the name, I would either, because I designed this image, so I would probably go in and lift this up a little bit, maybe put it right here or put it right here, because this is going to be his daycare mask. So I'll probably make him another one and put CJ either right here or right here, so his name doesn't get cut off. But that's the baby shark one. I think that is so cute. He's gonna absolutely love it. It came out so cute. I did go ahead and reprint the Fortnite one to press the other one. Because as you can see, this has ink on it. I don't want that ink to transfer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna try to save it. I'm just gonna get rid of it and toss it out and get a new sheet of butcher paper. Place that down. This is the kids mask. This is the adult mask. We're gonna take our lint roller. Make sure they're nice and lint free. And then this is the second Fortnite image I just printed off. Hopefully this one fits. It should fit. Okay. And then this one, this is mine. It's the name of my business, Crown Customs. And you know what? I think this one is going to be a little too big. I must have mismeasured them. I'm going to print me off another one of these. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I did go ahead and reprint these. These should fit. I'm just going to take my heat tape. And then I'm going to go ahead and tape them down. Okay, and then I'm going to press these at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And I'm sorry, I almost forgot my butcher paper on top. See, moving too fast. Butcher paper on top. Now I'm going to press at 400 degrees. For 60 seconds. Okay, so my heat press is going off here. just taking it, ouch, the images off. Here is the Fortnite. Let me turn it so y'all can get some more natural light. Here's the Fortnite. That came out cute. And then this is the one that I did for my business. The pink, I don't know. The pink looks faded. It looks weird. I'll probably do it again. I do have another logo with a black background, or I have one with a white background too, where Crowned is pink and then Customs is black, I believe. I'll probably end up doing that one because that pink looks weird to me. I'm not sure why it did that. If y'all, I don't know if you guys can see the lines. It looks like faded or something in certain spots. Like the ink just didn't take. I've heard a lot of people have problems with subbing pink anyway, so I was taking a chance in doing it. The pink that's not faded that took, it is the right pink. It's just not consistent throughout the whole mask. It looks wavy. I'm not sure if my phone is picking it up, but it looks wavy, like right here, like light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. And then it's definitely light around here. So yeah, I'll probably just do another mask with my logo on it, but I'll use the white background, Crowned in pink, and Customs in black. But yeah, these are the masks. The masks. Pretty simple to sub on masks, to be honest. But yeah, I will link where I got these masks from down below so you guys can check them out. Check her out. Her shipping is really, really fast, guys. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.